Welcome to DataPencil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our 50 days SQL practice YouTube challenge. Today it's our day 3. Yesterday we found missing values, so in today's task we are going to fix those missing and null values, as well as we will find few duplicates values. So let's begin with our day 3, and here you can see our task is to handle null and empty values. This is our first task. Then in second task, we are going to find duplicate rows. Alright, so for that, let's open our VS Code. I found the missing values in employee's name and the cities column, as well as the performance rating of 2023. If you found it somewhere else as well, then please do let me know in the comment section. So I have connected with my SQL server. Now let's begin. Now let's open our new file for day 3. Okay, so here I will firstly fix the employee's name. Wherever there were null or empty values, we will fix it. Okay, so it depends on your client or your senior or whosoever you are reporting. They will tell you the exact employee name. Wherever there is missing or null value, they will basically tell you. But for this project, we are going to replace the employee's name with the unknown. Okay, else what we will do, I will tell you later. So firstly, let's see how to replace all the missing and null values with the unknown. And for that, we will use update. So we will write update cleaned employees table. Okay. Set employee name equals unknown, where employee name is null or employee name is an empty value. Okay, suppose you have to replace the employee name with any other value. So what you will do, you will simply write set employee name equals to Kalyani, where employee ID equals to this. Okay, if they give you the employee ID and they also give you the name, then you will simply write set employee name equals to this, where employee ID is 2301 or whatever. Okay, so here I am filling all the empty values, null values with the unknown. This is it. Okay, now let's run it. And before running, let's simply write here, use our 50 days SQL challenge. Now let's run. So it's done, guys. Okay, now there is no null value or empty value in our table. If you want to see, you can simply open your cleaned employees table. So here this employee name, you can see there is no missing value. Here it is written unknown. Okay, now we are going to fill the city. Now we know the value of city for particular employee whose ID is suppose 13. For the employee whose ID is 13, we know that her city or his city is Delhi. So we want to replace the city with the Delhi. How to do this? So again, we will use the update function, update clean employees table. Okay, set city equals Delhi, where employee ID equals 13. This is it. Okay, now let's see firstly the employee ID 13. So this is Neha Verma and the city is missing here. Okay, here we are going to fill Delhi. So now let's run it. If you want to see your clean table, so let's open it and simply see employee ID 13 and the city is changed, replaced with the Delhi, right? Now here again, city is missing. So for rest of the values, what we are going to do, we are going to fill them with the Delhi NCR. Okay, so let's simply write update clean employees table, set city is equal to the Delhi NCR, okay, where city is null or city is showing any empty value. This is it. Now let's run it. It's done. So basically we filled the empty city values as well as the employee names. Okay. Now we have to fill the missing values or empty values of the performance table. Okay. Where performance of 2023, rating of 2023 is missing. Here you can see 2023 and here rating is missing. Okay. Here rating is missing. So we are going to fill these missing values with the 0. Alright. So for that, let's write rating of 2023 with 0. Okay. And we will again use the update command. What we are going to update? We are going to update the performance table. Okay. Now what column we have to set? We have to set the rating 2023 column with what value? So we are going to set it as 0. Okay. And after that, where we want to set these values as 0? So where rating 2023 equals empty. This is it. Now let's run it. So it's done. Okay. Now if you want to see your performance table, so here it is. And in 2023 you can see now there is no missing value. All values are filled. Here you can see it is 0. Means there was a missing value and we filled it with 0. Okay. So now all missing values are done. We have treated all missing and null and empty values. Okay. Now our second task is to find duplicate values. I'm going to show one duplicate value, how to find one duplicate value, and you have to do the same thing for rest of the tables. Okay. So I'm going to find it for the employees table. And here what we will write select employee ID. See guys, if employee ID, city and hiring date, these three columns are same, then we can simply say, okay, it is a duplicate value. Look at here. If employee ID is same, employee name is same and city is same, so can we say that it is a duplicate value? Okay, so we are going to take these three values, ID, name and the city, to check the duplicacy. So select employee ID, employee name, city, and you have to count all those rows. Okay. Now from clean employees table. Okay. And then we have to use group by employee ID, then employee name and then city. Through this we will get the number of values. Okay. Here number of rows will be counted if we will do this grouping. Then after that we have to apply one filter having count. If it is greater than 1, show those values only. That means when we are selecting employee ID, name, city, okay, in this manner, and if the counting of such rows is greater than 1, it means it is a duplicate value. I hope I am able to clear it. Okay. If you are facing any problem to understand the concept, what I am trying to say, then you can comment below. So I am running it. See guys, here Swati Gupta's is having duplicate issue. Okay, Ritu Jain duplicate issue, Deepak Sharma duplicate issue, Simran Gupta duplicate issue. All these are showing 2 values. Okay, it means it counted the row and result is 2, means 2 same rows it found. Okay, so the same thing now you have to do for all the tables, for departments table, for salaries table, for performance table and for the attendance table. I hope it is very easy for you. You simply have to select 2-3 columns that are playing a significant role in finding the duplicate values. Then you have to use group by for same columns. Okay, and you have to use this count function. This is it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tables you have to do on your own. So this is our today's work. So this is it for today's video and you have to submit it via submission form. Okay, this is it for day 3. Now see you tomorrow with our day 4 task. So take care guys. Bye bye. Keep practicing.